I'm going to show you how I made this skirt in 30 minutes without a pattern. I saw this fabric at work and decided to make a very quick project. I work in the fabric store and I usually help other people to sew all day, but I never have time to sew something for myself, so I decided I need something extremely fast, a 30 minutes project. I already had experience. I once made a dress in 40 minutes before a fashion show and it later became very popular, so I knew I could handle this. I took 1 meter of fabric, 150 centimeters wide. I laid it flat on the floor. I cut 50 centimeters to 1 meter piece. That left me with a 1 to 1 meter square and rectangle 1 to 1.5 meter. I folded the square into 4 layers and cut a circle. Radius formula is your waist divided by 2p. Measurement was about 80 centimeters, so 80 divided by 2p, it's 12.7. I reduced it by 10% for feet. It became 11.4, and then I subtracted seam allowance and it left me with about 10.5 centimeter final radius. I marked and cut the circle. From the rectangle, I used my hip length, 80 centimeters minus 10%, it's 72, plus seam allowance, so 74. I cut 74 to half meter rectangle, then folded it in half. It left me like 74 to 25 centimeters. Only 2 seams needed. First, sew a waistband into a loop, and second, attach the waistband to the circle opening. All done with an overlock. The skirt is done. It's asymmetrical and can be worn in different ways. If you don't want the asymmetry, you can cut a circle instead of starting from a square. I later finished the hem with an overlock, but that's optional. It's a perfect everyday piece, even for nature or casual wear, and it still looks stylish. You can also add straps and turn it into a sundress. And in the next video, I'll show you the top I made to match this skirt.